Hi, I'm Kara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and this is how to knit a leaf. These are directions on how to knit a generic leaf. We'll start with 2 stitches, and you'll see that it gets wider and then it tucks in and gets wider and tucks in and all the way to a point. And you can do, whatever you want to and with regard to when it comes in and out, but here's a general way to do it. So I've cast on 2 and I need to increase, so I'm going to knit the first one and make a stitch out of that first one, and then knit the second one. So now we have 3, and the rows in between are just plain purling. And the next increase row will be knit 1, make 1, knit 1, make 1. So now we have 5 stitches. And the next row is purl. I'm going to sort of cut to the chase here and show you what it's like to pull in. Like when you're getting wider and wider, and then you're going to start to pull in. So there are a couple of ways to do this. You could just knit 2 together to decrease, or you could decrease this way. And I think this way makes more of a point. Knit 1, slip 1 over, knit 1, slip 1 over. And you can see that that begins to make something come in like this. I'm Kara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was how to knit a leaf.